So if your floor is anything like mine and you're dealing with lots of superficial cracks, you'll definitely want to check out the Boncart wood furniture repair kit. So this repair kit is good mainly for small scratches and holes. You don't want to use this kit for any like big cracks or gouges. They do have another product that's good for it. So this is going to come with multiple different color paints. So it has like red oak, walnut, mahogany, and a lot of other colors that you can mix and match. It does come with this card, so you can basically try to determine which of these color matches would match best with your wood. Now, for me, that was a little tricky. I don't know if I'm colorblind, but the colors that I chose at first did not match when I tried them on my floor. So I actually used ChatGPT to try to help me color match, and that helped out quite a bit. So I just played around with it on this white sheet just to try to get the perfect color. And then once you have the perfect color, you can either use the edge of the actual paint itself, or you can grab like a flat edge paintbrush like this and simply dip it in. And you'll want to make sure that you clean the floor first. And then I'm going to use this edge to kind of clean it up, the clean edge. And then you let it dry. Once you let it dry, you can clean it up a little bit, but you can see that lighter color is no longer exposed. Let's try to find one more area. Okay, so I'm gonna do this little one right here. You can see this is kind of popping out because it's discolored. I'm just gonna fill it in just a little bit. So I probably could have gone a little bit darker. Like I said, I'm not the best with color matching, but this is an awesome, very easy to use kit.